Good day everyone, I will gonna be showing you my trading technique, trading with expert option. I make $500 to $1,000 a day by having my consistent trading scheme. I had been trading for almost 10 years, and got profited for both forex and binary options. What we will gonna do is to attach our RSI indicator to the Metatrader 4 platform. But you need to study more on the candlestick pattern. When to open the trade, closing the trade, identify the trend, and money management. I have almost 80% chance of winning of the trades. I have also days that I am not profitable. I choose to trade on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I will tell you that money management is a must when trading with the market. Okay. As you can see now is the Metatrader 4. I already attached our trading indicator to find reliable signals. The strategy include that some of the trading pairs were undecided for their market movements. I traded major currencies with almost 80% profit. Let's see what does the indicator will give us. We will just have to wait for the signal. Okay. I will just add more currencies to get more signals. To attach the indicator to the chart, simply go to View tab, then click the navigator. After that you can see various indicators and some of it were already free from the Metatrader. But I added all of the ultimatefxtools indicators to the Metatrader. You can also change the overbought and the oversold level of the RSI indicator. But I will gonna be use the 50-50 with the RSI period of 21. The RSI signal indicator have trading ability to find most profitable positions on the opening. Like, subscribe and click the notification bell button to get the latest updates, free strategy and trading technique trading with binary options. Take a look at the USD, CHF, has 1 minute buy alert. Let's trade to it. You need to be very careful when taking the trade. Be sure that the trend will oppose on that direction or else you will fail the trade. Got our profit. Not all the times I trade directly with the signals. Be sure to check the 1 minute candlestick pattern, the trend, and also the trader's sentiment. I cut some of the video to shorten the video as much as possible.